Changing your username on Hulu is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information. Step 1. Log into your Hulu account. Visit the Hulu website or open the Hulu app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Profile Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Profile or Profile Information. Click on this to view your current username and other profile details. Step 4. Edit your username. Find the field that displays your current username. Click on the Edit option next to it and enter your desired new username. Make sure it meets any character or format requirements specified by Hulu. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your username has been successfully updated. Now you can enjoy your Hulu experience with your new username.